Let's cut the fluff. If you are always broke, it's not just about how much you make. It's about how you think, how you act, and how you ignore. Today I'm going to give you the truth. Not sugar, no hype. This is the lesson I wish someone gave me when I was broke. If you are tired of living paycheck to paycheck, listen closely. And I promise this will change your life if you act on it. Lesson number 1. Being broke is a mindset. You can make $5,000 a month and still be broke. Because being broke is not just having no money. It's spending money with no plan, no purpose, and no future in mind. So here is a mindset shift. Stop saying I'm broke. Start saying I'm building. The first step out of being broke is believing it's temporary. Lesson number 2. Track every dollar. If you don't know where your money goes, your money will leave you. So open your banking app. Check last month. How much did you spend on food, subscription, junk? Start doing this today. Write down every expense for the next 30 days. Use a simple app like Mint or Notion or just a notebook. What gets measured, get managed. Lesson number 3. Kill I deserve it habit. You are not broke because you are poor. You are broke because of your choices. Oh, I had a hard week. I deserve new shoes. It's only $6 a day a coffee. It doesn't matter. Stop. That's broke thinking. Try this instead. Say I deserve peace. I deserve freedom. I deserve to preserve wealth. Save for what you truly want, not what gives you 10 minutes or 10 seconds of dopamine. Lesson number 4. Build an emergency fund fast. If you don't have at least $1,000 saved, you are walking on financial thin ice. Sell things you don't use. Work extra shift. Cut spending brutally for now. Why it matters? Emergencies will come. Be ready. That's how you stop living on panic mode. Lesson number 5. Fix your income problem. If you are not making enough money to survive, you need to change this fast. Learn high-value skills. Sales, tech, digital marketing, trades, self-service. Start a side hustle. Freelancing, tutoring, reselling, content creation, whatever. Look for promotions or leave the job holding you back. And let me tell you this. Broke people often protect comfort. Wealthy people chase growth, even if it's hard. Lesson number 6. Budget like you are at war. You need a plan for every single dollar. The 50-30-20 rule is how you start. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% saving and investing. But if you are broke, flip it. Try 60% needs, 10% wants, 30% saving and escape plan. Your goal is not comfort today. Your goal is freedom tomorrow. Lesson number 7. Stay broke on purpose. Here is a secret the rich know. Stay broke while building wealth. That means keep your spending low. Even as income grows, don't flush, don't upgrade. Use your extra money to build assets, investments, skilled businesses. This is how people escape the cycle. So my final words for you. Being broke isn't a curse. It's a temporary phase. If you are willing to change, here is your exit plan. Number 1. Stop the broke mindset. Number 2. Track your money. Number 3. Cut emotion-based spending. Number 4. Save your first $1,000. Number 5. Budget with purpose. Number 6. Grow your income. Number 7. Stay disciplined even when it's hard. And let me tell this, you have been lied to. Money doesn't change. Your life discipline does. And today you have a choice. Keep living broke or start building the life you deserve. Check the link in my bio. Book a consultation if you want me to help you with a clear plan that suits you and make you achieve personal power and achievement.